Hey guys, Mark here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Nadex premium systems I have to offer. Most premium members should already have these two. Now I'm going to review the statistics of both the systems so far, and also we will talk a little bit more about what I have planned for future and other strategies. Now you may see a chart on the very right. This is what I use for my my options trading. But I have it here because I want to talk about the SPX in general. For those of you who don't know, the SPX is the US 500. So before we get started, quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I am not telling you what to do with your money. This is simply an educational video and I hope you learn from it. Make sure you do your own research and yeah, just know that there's a risk to investing. You could lose everything that you invest. Keep that in mind. So let's get started. Now, the very first thing I want to say is that I do have a trading view link for this, okay? So I do have a trading view set up for the daily system, and I will show you guys right now for those of you who don't have it or don't know it. This is it right here. Okay, so we'll talk a little bit about this, and I wanted to start off on this chart because on TradingView I do have statistics. Now these statistics, quick disclaimer about these statistics is that they're only for the last 120 or 150 days. So in the past 150 days, as you can see right here, it has closed 91% in the money. So what does this tell you? It means that 91 times, or not 91 times, but 91% of time this closed in the money, the trades. Now, TradingView link is a little bit more simplified than Thinkorswim because I do have these triangular arrows that show you the candle, the signal candle. Okay? So, for example, yesterday was Tuesday because today is Wednesday, the 15th. Okay, so yesterday was Tuesday. Now, if we look right here, okay, Tuesday 9:30 opened above. Now, if you've watched my other videos talking about this strategy, you would know that how we first look at it is when market opens, we want it to open either on the red or green, okay? Above red means selling, we're looking for a sell day. Below green, we're looking for a buy day. So once we know which side we're on, so this right here, we were looking for a sell, and actually it came at around 9:55 we were able to sell. Okay, when this broke the red line. I'm not going to go too much into how the strategies work because I have other videos for that, but just wanted to show you. So it gave an arrow right here. And as you could see, the strike was around up here where this blue dashed line is, and if you were able to get into this, which I highly doubt because the closest you came was around 12 and it didn't really go up that high to meet any entry strikes, you probably would have skipped this yesterday unless you wanted to pay like $75 instead of the 60. So I usually recommend $65 risk. So you earn 35, so that means every loss you need 2 trades to win back, and with a 91% accuracy, you know, winning 2 trades is pretty easy, so you always mostly be in profit if you follow the rules. Now, another trade right here. As you could see, it was early, okay? So you could have probably got into this as soon as it hit. You probably could have got in for like 60, 65, $70. Here's another one. Here's another one. This one you definitely got in because it's signaled to go up at this day right here on at 10 a.m. And as you could see, if the strike was down here, it would have been out the money for a little bit, but then by the end of the day, it won. Okay? So these stats are very important, 91%. Now this could tell you a lot of things. This could tell you that the only unprofitable strike rates you take are the ones that are going to be like you're taking way deep in the money and paying $90 to only make $10. Now that is basically break even. If you do that, you're only going to break even because again, 91%. Now if you're taking risk like $65, $70, you're going to be winning, making money most of the time. And The other thing I've been getting a lot is that I've been getting questions like, how many trades do you get a day or whatever. I only use this, and I would only use this on US 500, which is the S&P 500 index. The reason being is that you don't really need a lot of trades when you use the system or any system. You just need really high accuracy trades, you know? And you could just, because if you want to make more money, you could just double your contracts, triple your contracts, you know? You don't want many trades, you just want really high accurate trades. And that's enough to make you money. Now, these statistics are for the past 150 days. Now, I do remember early March, around March area, February, I think it was February, we did see this go about 78% or something. It was like 80%, 79, whatever the percentage was, okay? Which is not good, but at the same time, you would have needed really good entries like $65 risk to be profitable. So you have to keep in mind that 91% is not an overall. You know, there was a bad month which was in February-ish, around there, maybe end of February, early March, where it did have a couple losers, you know, in a row, and that brought down the winning percentage to like 78, 79, which in theory isn't really that bad, but you need good money management to stay profitable. Okay? And I think some people could vouch for that. That the percentage was, like, you know, 79, 78, 81% around February, end of February. So that's just a disclaimer that it does not always stay above 90%. Now, I did want to say that I will be posting more videos on this system and other systems, like the weekly system and other free systems that I've posted. Now, I do want to post more about options because I have also been getting a lot of questions about options and stuff like that. And the reason being is because a lot of people are trying to transition from Nadex to regular options where they could trade stock options, and I have strategies for that, and I'll probably post some free videos. Now, if you really want to see me post free videos on options and how to get started and some free strategies for options, with proof of trading and all that stuff, then just let me know in the comments. You know, just tell me a nice comment like, hey, I'd like to see some options videos, see how you trade options, and you know, everything. You can if you don't trust my word for these things, these strategies I post, just go on demo and try it out yourself, because I don't recommend you do anything by just following someone who says, oh, this is 90% winning accuracy, or whatever they say on YouTube, you know. Go try it out yourself and let me know. Now, just let me know in the comments if you do want me to post some options videos. Now, how to get the premium system, because I do get that a lot every time someone messages me on Telegram, which you could contact me on Telegram, is people ask me, how do I get the premium system? Well, you get the premium system if you contact me on Telegram. There is a payment you have to make. It's a really affordable payment for anybody. You could just ask me on Telegram, or you know, you can message me on here. You could leave a comment. I'll give you my Telegram. You contact me there, and we could go on. Um, you could reach me on mainly on Telegram. You know, because some people ask me about like Skype or Facebook or whatever. I'm mostly on Telegram. So if you want to reach me every single day, or you just want to talk to me and ask me, you know, trading advice and all that stuff, because I've been trading since 2014. You could go back to my very first videos. I've been on Nadex since 2014, you know. It's been on and off because I did trade other stuff like Forex on MT4, Forex on MT5, and options and stuff like that. So, but I've been in the trading game since 2014, 2013. So it's almost 10 years, which is crazy when I think about it, because time went really fast. Now, options, because I get a lot of questions about that, is similar to Nadex. I have talked about it before, and it's similar to Nadex. It's just you have a way more stuff to trade, so way more stuff to look into and way more strategies to use, but essentially it's similar. Just Nadex is a very simplified way of trading options, and they limit themselves to indices and Forex, which is not bad, but you know, stock options have way more strategies and way more stocks, obviously. So maybe there's way more risk there too. Now, The weekly system I wanted to talk about, which is also I'm going to be talking about this strategy, is that right now, if we look here on the right side, I'm going to just close this off a little bit so I could open these two like this. And as you could see right now on the weekly chart of the US 500 on my options system here, we could see that every time the SPX rides this red and orange band, we could see it kind of reverses like it's doing here, but sometimes it makes a big reversal like this right here. Now, when it makes this big reversal right here, it usually bounces back when it hits the bottom. So right here, it's riding it, and so we might be seeing a really big reversal down back to these bottom lines. But the weekly system for Nadex, okay? The way you take this is when you have these arrows, which are basically it's a 10-day low, okay? The arrows appear when the current candle breaks the 10-day average. So example, this one here, this purple line right here where my mouse is at, means that this is the lowest it's been for the past 10 days. And as you could see, it was the lowest it went for the past 10 days. Because the last one was here, 10 days later, this is the lowest. And this one went lower than this one, so there's an arrow. This one went lower than this one, so there's an arrow. This one went lower than these, so there's an arrow. So just like that. And what you want is the VIX, which is an indicator I just created, which is based off the VIX, the VIX, the volatility index. You want it below 20, about 25, 26-ish. And as you could see right here, this is Friday, so we'll talk about this week. So right here, it gave a signal right here, okay? Now, yesterday, when it gave this signal right here, what you want is you could either take it right here or wait for the next candle to be green or wait for the high of the signal candle to be broken, which hasn't been broken yet. But I would take it like around here when it's already low. I don't want it to go up here because then you won't get a weekly contract that's going to be super profitable at the risk, okay? So your strike rate, you want it to be down around the 400 mark, which is a little bit down. I talk about this in another video. I'm not going to go too much into detail because I don't post videos on the weekly system. This is kind of like a bonus free system for premium members. But I would tell you that my strike rate for this would be around the 4400, and you could actually take this trade on demo, okay? You could take this on demo right now if you wanted to, as you're seeing this video, or just watch it. This is Wednesday the 15th. So the strike, the exit would be on Friday, okay? So you want the strike rate to be around here. Right now it's going for around 80 bucks, so you would only make 20 bucks. If you took this on Monday, you probably would have gotten it for like 65 bucks while it was still dropping, but it's 2 days later and we're only 2 days till the end of the week. As you know, as time goes by, you're more in the money. The price of the contract will just get higher and higher. So that's why it's 80 bucks right now. And yeah, but look at how it ends on Friday. I'm assuming it's going to end above the 4400 mark. So whatever strike is around there would be the perfect strike. If you wanted to get the system too, you need to be a premium member. It's a free bonus system for premium members. Most of you already have this system. It's the second video I usually send you when you become a premium member. But I wanted to post this video to keep you updated with the statistics and how it's going, and maybe for those premium members who aren't trading right now and wanted to see how the systems are doing, this video is for you. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you have any questions about options and all that stuff, I will leave my Telegram in the description and also in the first pinned comment. Anyway guys, I'll talk to you guys later, and yeah, have a good day and have a good week. Stay profitable.